the Hybrid and Online Teacher Training course at Craven Community College. In this video tutorial, I will demonstrate how to use announcements to do a little teaching and connecting with your class on a weekly basis. So here I am in my live course, and I'm going to click on Announcements. That's always the first forum in my class. And notice that every week, starting down here at the bottom, I make an announcement to my class. These announcements go out to the students' email directly. So I find it very helpful to make an announcement every Sunday night, kind of orienting them to what will be coming in the week ahead and sharing any important information that I have to let them know about in our class. So I have my week 1 announcement, and you'll notice if I open this one up, I kind of welcome them to class and I explain how the class works and some of the important assignments that will be coming up that week and things that they need to do and pay attention to. And then I tell them a little about me, and then I just welcome them to the class. So I really do this every week. I tell them in week 2 a little bit more about what they'll be doing and what they'll be learning and so forth. So all I do when I make these announcements is I add a new topic. I always title it the same, EDU 216 : and whatever week it is, and then I write my message here. And I can add files if I want to add an attachment, and if I want this to go out directly to them right away, I click this box that is Send Forum Post Notification with no editing time delay, because that will get this forum post to them in the quickest manner possible. If I don't check this box, it may be delayed in getting the announcement out to my students. So that's how I make the announcements, and you'll notice I just do it every week. And there's another trick I use so that I don't have to completely rewrite every announcement every semester, because when I import this course into my next semester's course, all of these announcements will disappear and I will not be able to see them any longer, and they'll be blank and set up for the new semester. Every time I write an announcement, I actually copy it and then I paste it into a week 1 announcement page, a Moodle page. So you'll notice if I open this up, this is the same exact announcement that I sent out in the announcements forum. And the reason I do this is because this will not be deleted when I import the course next semester. And so when it comes to week 1, I can look back and think, what did I write last semester? What do I need to change? I will always tweak it and improve upon it, but it's nice just to have that there so I don't have to start rewriting from scratch. So for example, let's look at another section. This is this section, and I have my week 3 announcement. So when I open this up, you can see this is what I wrote to them, and they can see this in the section as well. I don't hide it from them. I could, but when they get to the section, they've already received the email on Sunday night through the announcements forum, but when they get into the section, they also see the same exact thing here, and then they see the learning materials posted. So this is my little trick for making it my life easier from semester to semester, so I don't have to rewrite the announcement completely. So I hope that helps. Thank you for joining me for this hot topic of posting announcements in Moodle. See you next time.